bridge. Cause the right tomorrow you're falling enough. I'll try and try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you leaving bruises on my feet.
What's up, you guys? It's CRZ. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog, as you guys can see by the title. I have a couple of things to do today, so I figured might as well pick up the camera and vlog. As you guys see, I made some biscuits and some tea for breakfast. Biscuits and honey just slaps. Like, y'all gotta try it. Y'all have to try it. It is so good. Right now, I'm just about to finish eating this, and then my friend, she just dropped off her wig to me because I'm doing her hair later on. So I have to bleach the knots and pluck the wig and get it ready for tonight when she comes back over, so I could do her hair. So you guys are gonna see that. I also have to go to the nail salon because I need to go get my feet done because Monday is Valentine's Day and we outside, baby. Okay, we outside. And y'all, I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry that I have to come on this camera looking like this. But I'm in the house. Like, I don't do my hair when I'm in the house. I mean, I do sometimes, but like, if I'm not going outside, I don't really take down my hair. It's like, what's the point? Yeah, I'm about to get started because I feel like the day is just gonna go very fast. And I have a lot of things to do. I have to clean my room. I also have to make a TikTok today. Well, I don't have to, but you know, I gotta make my content. I gotta make a TikTok today. I'm doing like my YouTube essentials type thing, and I'm gonna show like everything I use on my YouTube channel basically. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into the day. I'm about to eat this real quick, and then the next clip you guys should see is me getting ready to prep the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all that when I finish eating my breakfast. This is such a weird angle, but this is the wig that she is getting installed today. Real cute, real cute. I love the highlights and the lowlights, and just the color in general is really nice. I really like it. Yeah, I'm using the basic white bleach, and I'm using some 40 volume developer, this little brush thing, and a bowl. I'm gonna spray the hairline with some Got To Be first so that I could push back all the hairs and nothing is in the way. And yeah, that's basically how I bleach it on.
Nico de Gallo.
Sometimes it's not that love is different. That gently touches my soul.
I'm back, y'all. So I'm about to go to the nail salon and get my feet done. I got my nails done yesterday, as you guys can see. Very cute, very cute. I love them. Make sure y'all go book my nail tech at Scope Dubai Thai. I'm gonna leave her Instagram and stuff on the screen so you guys can go book her. Yeah, the nail salon that I go to, they don't like when I record in there, so I'm gonna just record on my phone because anytime they see me with my camera, they have a freaking heart attack. Like come on now, come on. Don't do that. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks first because I really want a strawberry acai lemonade. Like, I gotta have it. I have to have it. I hope they're open. I don't even know what time Starbucks closes, but it's literally right next to the nail salon, so I'm gonna go in there first. Oh, I just have on this sweater from Zara. I think I got this from, yeah, I got this from Zara, and then some black leggings and my Ugg slippers. Some people do not wear their Uggs with socks, and I find that very disgusting. Like, you're supposed to wear socks with your shoes regardless of what it is. I'm not even going that far. I feel like I don't even need this coat, but it keeps me warm, so I'm gonna wear it. Also, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to Starbucks, and then I'll see y'all when I get to the nail salon. I'm back from the nail salon, and honestly I really didn't even record too much because the lady was honestly getting me tight. Like, one person started and the next piece and then another person finished, and I hate when they do that because it's like, can one person just do my nails? I mean my toes. They look pretty cute if this will focus. But right now I'm about to film the TikTok that I told you guys about. So everybody always asks me, like, how do I film my TikToks? I use a tripod and my phone, literally. That's it. So I'm just gonna gather everything that I need for the TikTok first because that's important, and then I'm gonna start filming. So I like to gather everything first so that, like, I'm not like scrambling around looking for things, because then that just makes the process even longer. So you just gather everything you need and get to filming. So I actually have 2 of these lights, and one of them is going to be in the video because this is what I use for my YouTube channel. I'm actually gonna turn them down a little bit. So that should be good. I'm gonna go to video and boom, and I'm gonna swipe up and put the exposure down to 1.3. actually 1.3 is good. That's good. So this is basically like what it's gonna look like on my phone, and I feel like that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna start with that. This camera that I'm filming on right now is also going to be in the video, so I'm just gonna put that part last, but you guys are gonna see everything else.
I got my own, I don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the dick, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they would. Yeah, you know who took this for you, come get it back in blood. Come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no dodger, those niggas know who it was. So it just like the haters, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took this, you come get it back in blood. Your nigga killer ain't there, you sure no RP shirt. We had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up 30. Niggas who ain't got the phone, go grab a glizzy, get alert. Shot the T-post RP and Reezy.
So now that I got all of the clips that I want, I'm going to go back and just make sure that, you know, everything looks good in case if I have to re-record anything. Honestly, everything looks pretty good to me. Like, I went over it already. Everything looks pretty fine, honestly. So now I am going to, hold on, I'm gonna turn my camera so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go into CapCut. This is where I edit all of my TikToks, and I'm gonna press new project, boom, and then I'm gonna select all of the clips that I want. So all of these clips are gonna go in the TikToky. And now we have all the clips, and I'm just going to start to trim all the clips down. Edit, split, and I'm just gonna do that to all of the clips.
Gotta know I go too far. Hoes up on the honey, one of them might stand for Oprah. 20 some shots left up in the K, 15 still in the block. to unlock and stop. I like getting no feet parked the car. Get them clothes doing dirty, I ain't showing up. 11,000 all one, left my right pocket in the club. Faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it